Can I actually build a passive income stream using AI? I'm going to show you my real tactics. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aaron, and I'm excited to share with you my proven way to make passive income with AI. I've been experimenting with AI for a while now, and I've discovered some tactics that actually work. In this video, I'll be sharing my real-life strategies that have helped me build a passive income stream. One of the greatest challenges people face when trying to make passive income with AI is getting overwhelmed by all the information out there. There are so many courses, tutorials, and gurus promising overnight success, but it just doesn't happen that way. Another challenge is falling for scams or get-rich-quick schemes that promise unrealistic returns. I've been there too, and I know how frustrating it can be. People often have unrealistic expectations, thinking they can just set up an AI system and watch the money roll in. But the truth is, building a passive income stream takes time, effort, and a solid understanding of how AI works. Using AI for content creation has made a big difference for me. I've used AI-powered tools to create engaging content, such as blog posts, social media posts, and even video scripts. For example, I use a tool that helps me generate ideas for my content, and another tool that assists me in writing and editing. This has saved me so much time and allowed me to focus on other aspects of my business. I've also automated many of my tasks using AI, such as email marketing and customer support. By automating these tasks, I've been able to free up more time to focus on high-leverage activities. My most impactful tactic, however, is using AI for data analysis. I've used AI-powered tools to analyze my website traffic, social media engagement, and even my email open rates. This has given me valuable insights into what's working and what's not, allowing me to make data-driven decisions to optimize my business. For instance, I discovered that my audience engages more on certain social media platforms, so I shifted my focus to those platforms. I've also used AI to identify trends and patterns in my data, which has helped me stay ahead of the competition. In summary, I center my tactics on using AI for content creation, automation, and data analysis. While this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, I have proven these methods to be effective. Leveraging AI allows you to create a sustainable passive income stream that helps you reach your financial goals. If you're interested in learning more about my tactics, click the link in the description below. Share your own AI passive income ideas, and let's discuss. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth videos on specific tactics, and I'll see you in the next video.